Another powerful and easy-to-use tool is TheFatRat. It's an exploitation tool that can help you to generate backdoors and post-exploitation attacks like browser attack DLL files. This tool compiles malware with popular payloads, and then the compiled malware can be executed on Windows, Linux, Mac OS X, and Android. Because it's not embedded into Kali, we need to install TheFatRat first. At the beginning, we need to download the files of the TheFatRat framework. Clone the Git account of TheFatRat for this purpose. Wait until the cloning is finished. That may take some time according to your internet connection speed. The files are cloned under the TheFatRat folder. Go into the folder using the cd command. Look at the files using is. Let's run the TheFatRat shell script. Oops, permission denied. Look at the file permissions. Probably it does not have the executive privileges. True. No execute write at all. Make the TheFatRat file executable using chmod, that's chmod, Linux command. Now it has execute writes for all. Now we can run the TheFatRat script. It says we have to run setup.sh script first. We're not going to run setup.sh script all the time. It's just needed to run before the first usage. Like the TheFatRat file, setup.py file does not have execute privileges. Make it executable as well. And run. It installs all the dependent tools necessary for the TheFatRat tool and upgrades the tools. There are a lot of tools that the setup script checks if they are installed and up to date, so be patient. Don't be anxious. Installing tool dependencies. Updating Kali repo. Installing MingW32 compiler. At the end of the setup, it asks if you want a shortcut for TheFatRat in the system. That means the setup will add TheFatRat into the path, so you'll be able to run it from anywhere in your terminal. Now we can run the TheFatRat script. It checks all the dependencies at the beginning. It warns us not to upload the output files to VirusTotal. We already know the reason. It shares the files with the antivirus companies. Instead, you can upload it to nodedistribute.com to test if it can bypass the antivirus systems. Now we're ready to use the TheFatRat.